This is crazy. Come to the back. All right. This is wild. Look at these scales. When you brake, everything actually turns red and pulls back like that. When you drive this thing, depending on which direction you turn, this thing will actually turn with you, which is mind-blowing. This is the Mercedes Vision AVTR, a collaboration between Mercedes and Avatar. You see these lights back here? These lights? The faster you drive, the faster these lights will go. All right. Check this out. These are the wheels. Each wheel can move independently. So what you get is you can actually literally crab walk and drive diagonally. But you see this glowing light? This can also change depending on what mode you're on. So if you're charging this thing, see all the lights go to the middle. This is also an indicator. So when you're turning, you want an indicator, flick it. That is mind-blowing. To use your wheel as an indicator. Right, on the inside, little sneak peek of what I'm about to show you. But let's go to the front. Oh yeah. Mercedes logo to tell everybody that Mercedes has made a badass car. Let's go inside because this thing is wild. So, I have a little secret button. Little fingerprint scanner. No, don't show them the secret button. What you'll get. Door comes up. So what you'll see is that this actually looks like an insect wing, and this is moving in the back to create a car that's alive. Check out this interior. What you'll see is that in the back, the seat literally becomes the headrest, which is crazy. All right, let me go inside. This is vegan leather. And this wood right here is made from an invasive root. So by extracting it, Mercedes is actually able to save some plants. Right, there is no steering wheel, but that's because you can drive this thing just with this. When you put your hand on it, everything comes to life. And now, oh my God, come on. So first I'm gonna pull forward. And we're off! Wow! So look, so when I turn it left like this, when I tilt it, we turn like that. When I turn right, you'll see we're turning. Forward is accelerate, and backwards is to brake. That is crazy!